Okay, this is for the gannet catching fish model using a parabola. So when you're doing these kinds of questions, you've got to draw a picture, all right? So the gannet surfaces 8 kilometers from where it went into the water. So you basically have to show where it went into the water. So it can be, you want to kind of draw it so that this kind of point here, where the graph goes through, that's your 0, 0. And this is where it surfaces at 8 and 0. All right, so the distance there, it tells you is going at a max, and the gannet surface is 8 meters from where it went into the water. So that's 8 meters from where it went into the water right there. And it reaches a maximum depth. So this depth, which is basically your vertex, that's down 4, minus 4. Now remember that we know about a vertex is that a vertex is halfway between the x-intercepts, between 0 and 8, which is over 4, and now it's down 4. So it's over 4 and down 4. That's the point of the vertex. Now at this point, you can make your equation either in vertex form, or you can make it in factor form. So in factor form, it would look like this. Now remember, you might have a stretch on this, so you don't know exactly what the stretch is, but you're going to have an x times, because it's x is equal to 0, so it's just an x times x minus 8. Those are your factors. And you don't need the brackets around the x if you don't want, so it could be kx times x minus 8. So this is one factor where x is 0, and this is the other factor where x is at 8, all right, where the x-intercepts are at 0 and 8. So that's an equation that you would write in factor form. Now you're going to have to find the k. The other way to write the equation is in vertex form. So again, you've got the k, so we don't know what the k is, the stretch out in front. But now you know what the vertex is. It's 4 and negative 4. So you go x, and then it's to the right 4, so it's always opposite, squared, and then down 4. That's what it looks like in vertex form. So it's right 4, which is always opposite, right 4, and down 4. And it's squared, and that's in vertex form. Now it doesn't matter what form you put it in, you're still going to have to find this k. So you take a point. Now it doesn't matter what point you use. You could use 8 and 0, and you'll plug that in into the equation for x and for y. Now I'm running out of time and so on, but when you plug that in, you end up actually getting k to be 1. K is 1, so that doesn't change the equation. So the equation for the first part, if you're doing it in vertex form, is x minus 4 all squared minus 4. All right?